Remember when putting together, a desktop felt less like a chore and more like a craft project, especially when you snapped that heavy little metallic square into place on an LGA 1155 socket. That satisfying clunk of the retention arm remains burned into the memory of anyone who built a rig around this era. This particular silicon sits at 3.4 GHz right out of the box, pushing a 22-nanometer architecture that honestly feels delightfully retro compared to the microscopic density we deal with today. It pulls off quad-core multitasking without breaking a sweat, handling everything from frantic midnight gaming sessions to heavy batches of raw photo exports. There is 6 megabytes of smart cache tucked away inside, which acts as a nice little buffer when juggling too many browser tabs alongside a video rendering timeline. Now, what really made this chip legendary among enthusiasts was the unlocked multiplier tucked into that 37K designation, inviting anyone with a decent aftermarket cooler to push the clock speeds way past factory limits on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Sure, the thermal paste under the integrated heat spreader can get a bit crusty after years of loyal service, meaning modern builders might want to delete the thing if they are chasing extreme temperatures. But look, 5 gigatransfers per second on the DMI bus means data zips around fast enough that everyday computing feels snappy and responsive even now. It dynamically shifts power where the workload demands it most, keeping fans quiet during casual web browsing and ramping up the muscle when a heavy application kicks in. So yeah, while newer generations have marched ahead with endless cores and ridiculous power draws, there is still something wildly charming about how gracefully this quad-core warrior handles the daily grind without asking for much in return.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.